Welcome to the Cryptoteacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the new Road Order book. Remember, guys, those two books are mandatory. Want to thank those who donated to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And then also those who are shopping at the store, much love to you. Now, of course, guys, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Now, basically, I did a video last night, a second video on cryptos that I haven't done in a long time. And it was about the volume spiking, guys. Just like I stated, basically, on the 5th, they definitely need it for collateral. But the volume was out of this world with no news, guys. And then it happens to fall when we have all this chaos around election. Remember, the New World Order sets up so many distractions that it keeps you off of the fundamentals, keeps you off of your money. That's the reason why you must stay focused on that. Volume now is starting to drop down. But of course, we do have the weekend coming in. Of course, I do a video every day. I'm going to keep you up to date. But we know the stock market closes. The only game in town is cryptos. So we're going to see what they do. But make sure you focus on the actual indicators, guys. That's definitely stable coins, XRP, and volume. Now, the actual tether is now at 17 billion. They keep pumping it, guys. They keep pumping it. All these stable coins are keep rising. Whether we've been in a bear market or a bull market, the stable coins keep rising. Tether, USDC, they keep rising. The reason why is because they are the foundation. XRP is that IOU that's going to keep, of course, the dollar right now is the IOU. XRP is going to be that collateral that say, okay, yes, that money is on that other end for the banks to banks, for those millions and billions of dollars that's going to be moving. But that's the reason why I say it's just a stable coin. They only need it for that split second as collateral, guys. That's not the reason why it's not on my list in my Patreon. I know y'all, that's all I hear. Why it's not on your list in Patreon? That's the reason why it's not on my list, because XRP, they only need it for that split second. Now, guys, Bitcoin almost hit that 16,000. Just like I said, guys, we're definitely going to be coming back down. Of course, nothing goes in a straight line. Like I stated, basically, if you look at the charts, it says a free way up to 20,000. But the fact is, we know the Fed controls the stock market and cryptos. We saw the S&P taking a dip. We see actual cryptos taking a dip. We know, just like I stated, all this pump during the election, guys, is all a distraction. Don't get fooled. But let's get into the crypto news. We have the DOJ says they seized $1 billion from the Silk Road. Guys, do we believe that? No, it was already in their possession. Come on, guys. Come on, give me a break. We know how the government works, guys. Like I stated from the first beginning when the story came out, said it was moving. That was the Fed moving it. Don't get it confused. Now, basically, we also have Fidelity hiring to build their trading platform and custody service. So, guys, we know it's about to get pumping. We know 2021 is the start of crypto and blockchain coming to the masses. We have crypto bank Sygnum start staking for Tezos rewards, guys. So, basically, we're going to see a lot of our banks offer interest on these actual cryptos. And then also start offering custody. We know they've been could have started offering custody for us, but you know what? They want to steal your money first. We know how that goes. Now we have Grayscale with their Ethereum trust hits $1 billion in assets. We know Ethereum and Bitcoin are definitely going to be the two monsters in this game. Now we have Bitcoin miners revenue surge. My question is, guys, is that why we don't see any numbers from China's mining? We don't see any numbers. I definitely don't get that one. Now, guys, we have Thales, the aerospace and defense giant, now using blockchain for NATO standards, guys. So basically, we have the biggest pieces of government are getting on blockchain. And I think that is in Spain. Basically, we also have Square's Cash App. Almost 80% of its revenue from Q3 came from Bitcoin, guys. Now, guys, we know the system that we're in right now. We get taxed to death, banks fee us to death. If you look at cryptos, look at these banks, that's what they're setting up for, to get the fees. It's the same system. Nothing any different, guys. Nothing. Now, let's get over into the world news, guys. We see the stock market down. Why is the stock market down? What are the indicators, guys? Treasury yields. The VIX is showing no turbulence, but we're down. But we saw yields rise. Guys, make sure we stick with fundamentals. I don't care what market it is. Stimulus, of course, the stimulus package, once this election is up, we know what's going to happen. We're going to get that big stimulus check. Depends on how much it is, but they're definitely going to flood the market with liquidity. And we know the stock market and cryptos are blast off. And then basically in 2021, of course, the stock market, United States stock market is going to crash and burn. Remember BlackRock, Blackstone, Vanguard. We're going to go a whole 10 years with actually no growth. Plain and simple. Everything is going to be over in the emerging markets. But guys, we have $68 trillion transfer wealth in America. And we see it in our own eyes, guys. We live in a nightmare. We're living it right now. We see all these people out of work for a hoax. Come on, guys. The flu. It's amazing. It really breaks my heart to see the masses that are so caught up in this election, but don't have the common sense to see that this C word is, it's just out of this world. But definitely you see the hypnosis, the witchcraft is working great because the people are definitely asleep. It's just unbelievable. But the tribalism is at its worst right now. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher NWO book. The link's at the bottom. If you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, don't forget about the links. And then also the Cryptoteacher stock channel, guys. Don't forget about the stocks. You have your Cobalt, chip stocks, banking, gaming. And then also where everybody's sitting at home, don't forget about the at-home stocks. The C word, guys, the biotech stocks, don't forget about those. And then also health stocks are booming. Don't forget, your doctor now is going to be Zooming you instead of you going in there. Don't forget to look those stocks up because that's something going to be big. And then also, guys, you have everybody sitting at home getting free money or waiting on that free money. What are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.
Never waste a good crisis. And when it comes to the economic crisis, don't waste it.
You never want a serious crisis to go to waste. And what I mean by that, it's an opportunity to do things that you think you could not do before.